All right, we gotta go over here, and then we got to, where is our, oh man. All right, so this is done. This is done. This is done. All right, we are getting there. However, three, got ourselves a little specialty. Actually, there it is right there, going on the back of the window for the trip, for the show. All right, well, I'm kind of debating now because the car is filthy, like filthy. I'm debating if I actually want to wash the thing before we leave. I feel like it's probably not it doesn't make any sense. Yeah, we drove in the salt. Yeah, I know, bums me out a little bit too, but we're fine. At least it wasn't wet out. You know, it's salt doesn't rust cars. It's salt mixed with moisture. All right, so I pretty much destroyed the rear end of my car. You guys are gonna see exactly why in probably the next video or so. But now we're gonna continue off the progress from yesterday, guys. New day. As you guys can see, I've already moved my battery box further back as opposed to where it was back there, because I'm gonna go ahead and actually install our seats. It'd be just kind of nice just to have like a little bit of sound deadening, and just makes it a little bit cleaner in there. So we're not gonna put the OEM seats, well we are, but we're not gonna leave them how they are. We're definitely gonna go ahead and paint them up. I got some black kind of fabric vinyl paint. We're gonna go ahead and test it out, see how it does, and get these things installed. All right, so you guys see what it looks like before and after. Look at that. Factory, good as new. Oh, wow. Wow. All right, so you guys see what we look like before, like garbage pretty much, and you can't even see it. It's so clean and dark in here now. Oh my god, dude.
You know what they gotta do? They just gotta come see it in person.
Yeah, you guys are just gonna see it in person. Where are they gonna see it?
March 24th and not 25th.
No, just the 4th? Where at?
4th. Atlanta, Georgia.
Actually, by the time they see this, this will be pointless. Yeah, this
should have been there.
Oh,
this is way after.
Oh, this ain't coming out before?
Probably not. Alright guys, so car is completely torn apart. Basically what I'm doing right now, guys, is moving my battery further back here. I'm not too sure if I already told you guys what's going on, but now I need to basically elongate my wiring here. So I don't have like a crush washer thing, so basically what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just bolt these two together and kind of use that as like a union. Obviously tape it up, you don't want that, you know, shorting on anything, but yeah, just gotta make these longer. So basically just wanted to update you guys with what's going on here, and going well so far. We're in crunch time right now. I have a whole hell of a lot to do, but you know, head down and we're working, so let's get to it. Alright, so battery location number 2 is complete. As you can see, obviously bolted it down, everything's hooked up, we're good to go. I mean, you know, as you can see, I kind of just have everything wired up, running through here. I made a whole video on how to relocate a battery. If you guys want to check that video out, I hopefully linked it up in the top corner. So now the next thing we're going to go ahead and put on the 240 is some sound deadener, guys. I bought this stuff online from Amazon. I will have the link in the description. I used to be quite familiar with Dynamat. I used to use that stuff at work a lot at my old job. This stuff was definitely much cheaper, but it's still 80 mil. So definitely check out the link in the description, guys. Let's go ahead and put this in, and we'll quiet this interior down a little bit, you know what I mean? Because with the new subframe bushings, it is so gnarly in here with no rear interior and everything like that. So we got to change it a little bit, make it a little bit more drivable. All right, so I think there's a bunch of sheets. Oh, it comes with instructions, man. That's when you know it's legit. Like, if you buy stuff and it comes with instructions, you know it's legit. So it gives you guys everything, step by step, how to do it. This is awesome. We're not gonna go through this because you guys can read this on your own. This is literally straightforward. They have step by step preparation, how to do it, where to put it, everything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and kind of just dive in and start installing this stuff. So let's go. I'm gonna try and get everything done here within like 5 or so hours. It is currently 5 p.m. and we're leaving, well, I want to try and get out here by 10 p.m. because we're leaving tomorrow morning, bright and early. So we'll get her done. Alright, so first things first, guys, we went ahead. I'm gonna start here where the seats are. The original sound deadener is still in there, obviously, but I just went ahead and cleaned it up with some alcohol, vacuumed out all the garbage, and now pretty much the surface is prepped for the sound deadener. Alright, so I figured I'll show you guys. Also, just by the way, this will also be in the description, but you definitely want to buy one of these. You'll need this. Basically, as you guys can see, it comes with like this kind of diamondy, I guess, pattern design, and basically just use this, and it basically tries to tell you to, roll it down until it becomes flat, until the design is pretty much gone. As you guys can see, it's still lingering, so maybe just a few more passes, but we're making way. We still got a lot of work to do. This is definitely a little time consuming, but we'll get there. We will get there. Alright, so just a quick heads up, guys. You can see this is my wheel arch, by the way. You can see all this like crap on here. You're definitely gonna have to clean this up. This side had way more than that side, as you guys can see. You know, cleaned it up and nice and smooth and clean. So don't skip steps, because otherwise it won't last as long. But yeah, clean it up with like a wire wheel. This is what I got, and does a really good job. All right, so we got the two kind of rear seat and wheel arches complete. I'm so like all over the place with content, guys. I have no idea how I'm going to even organize this stuff to make videos for you guys, but I just gotta get stuff done. I don't even know what's going on. I'm in work zone right now. So currently now, we're gonna go ahead and get this nasty piece. Look at how gross that is. That nasty piece of furniture right there, that's the bottom cushion for the rear seat, and we're gonna make it look like that. So yeah, we got some more fabric kind of painting to do, so let's get to kind of dust this off, and then we'll get to painting. All right, look at that, brand new, guys. I mean, even if you guys aren't, even if you guys have clean seats, turning them black, I think looks 10 times cleaner. So awesome, so awesome. All for like literally, like $14 a paint, 2 cans, which is about, they were like $7 each. Oh, if you guys are wondering what I used though, hang on. Just some dupli colored vinyl and fabric. This one is gloss black. Awesome. What's going on here? All right, guys, huge update. Basically, it is 12 in the morning. We are leaving for Atlanta in, what time is it exactly? All right, 12:06. We're leaving in about 8.5 hours. So definitely came together really nice, guys. I got some awesome content coming for you guys very soon. Just some cool mods in the 240 that you guys are gonna like. But as you guys can see, seats are in, painted, looking so fresh, so clean. Literally look fantastic. So, you know what I mean? This thing is gonna be like a Rolls Royce inside here. It's gonna be so quiet. Oh, I still gotta put those trim pieces on my guy. But yeah, so honestly, guys, we're done for today. Batteries relocated to the back. But generally speaking, guys, we're good to go. Hopefully I see a lot of you guys down there, although when this video comes out, it'll definitely be after the show, I think. We'll kind of see. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. I really have no idea how I'm gonna kind of arrange this content. I'm so all over the place with all the footage, excuse me. But yes, we're ready. Can't wait. So a couple little things I gotta do and kind of load up a little bit. Toss some tools in the car. But yes, that is just to protect the paint or the wrap from bugs and rocks and stuff like that. So got some on the mirrors too. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys had a good one. Enjoy the rest of your guys' day, evening, wherever you guys are at. I'm very relieved that we're done. However, I'm ready for bed. I'm ready for some rest. But thank you guys again. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Later. Peace.